Is Amber Heard fake crying during her trial? Hello there! Amber Heard has been crying during court proceedings. So, is she pretending to cry? Let's find out. Johnny Depp starred in the 1990s smash Crybaby, but his ardent fans accuse his ex-wife Amber Heard of acting out an exaggerated emotional display following her testimony in their blockbuster defamation trial this week. Depp's fans have taken to social media to accuse Heard of being a bad actress and fake crying. Heard, 36, spent 2 days detailing Depp's alleged abuse, claiming he slapped her across the face and conducted a cavity search. Believed she had hidden his cocaine in her vagina. The Aquaman actress was frequently emotional while answering questions about her troubled marriage. Many viewers who watched the televised trial were convinced of her credibility, and the hashtag #IStandWithAmberHeard began trending on Twitter Thursday afternoon. However, Depp fans slammed the starlet on Twitter and TikTok, claiming she was faking her testimony because she didn't shed a single tear. According to Heard's representative, he is unable to comment directly on the social media smears. OMG, I'm dying. Amber Heard is the worst actor ever, tweeted popular producer Andy Signor to his 45,700 followers. This phony, incoherent performance is revolting. There are too many details, fake sighs, forced tears, and jury looks all over the place. This is an embarrassment to all survivors. I watched some of Amber Heard's testimony today. How does one cry without crying? Is it a medical problem? Whenever I cry or see someone else cry, it's a real mess that necessitates multiple tissues, if not a small mop. Poet Joseph Massey wrote on Facebook. Another accused Heard of putting on her life's performance. Meanwhile, videos accusing Heard of fabricating her cringe testimony have received millions of likes on TikTok, with the hashtag #JusticeForJohnny have received 8.3 billion views. One viral video of Heard sobbing on the stand was accompanied by a voiceover from Kim Kardashian who said, "Ew, this is so cringe. Guilty." It received over 5.2 million likes. Meanwhile, aspiring actress Meredith Bull posted a video with over 201,200 likes, in which she expressed her doubt about Heard's testimony as a fellow thespian. "What I saw today was a massive performance to the jury," Bull said, adding that Heard appeared to be making eye contact with each juror. "I don't know about you, but whenever I recall trauma, I'm not looking around to see if everyone is trying to make an eye contact with me," she continued. "I'm probably avoiding eye contact because it's such a vulnerable, personal moment, especially with what she was talking about, which was abuse and domestic violence and all kinds of crazy stuffs. However, body language is important. According to Patty Wood, Heard's lawyer may have instructed her to make eye contact with the jurors. Eye contact creates connections and more empathy," Wood said, adding that she thought Heard tied her hair back so her emotional state was more viewable and more obvious to those in the courtroom. "The fact that she is an actress makes the read extremely difficult," Wood declared, implying that Heard's testimony could have been performative even if she was saying completely true things. When Heard recalled incidents of assault, there was a consistency between her words and her body language that felt believable, according to Wood. However, Heard's crying appeared effortful, and she seemed to be wiping at her face when there was no tear, when there were no tears. According to the body language expert, what makes this trial so compelling is that it deviates from the norm of our normal viewing. She explained, "It's not clear that he is the victim and she is the perpetrator. They both exude a sense of strength and power." Meanwhile, both Depp and Heard's representatives fired back in statements released on Friday. Ms. Heard did indeed deliver the performance of her life in her direct examinations, as Mr. Depp's counsel correctly predicted in their opening statement last month. A spokesperson for Depp said, "The truth is the same regardless of the context in which it is presented." Meanwhile, Heard's representatives responded directly saying, "As evidenced by the statement just released, Mr. Depp's defamation claim is collapsing so quickly that his counsel are switching from prosecutor to persecutor. They boast that Mr. Depp's story hasn't changed." They continued sarcastically, "If that's the case, given that he lost the domestic violence restraining order to the libel case in the UK, perhaps he should consider a new strategy rather than the tired approach of attacking the victim and refusing to accept responsibility for his own behavior." Depp is suing Heard for defamations over a 2018 Washington Post op-ed, in which she claimed she was a victim of sexual violence. She did not specifically mention Depp in the article, but it was written after Heard filed for a restraining order against her ex-husband in 2016 over allegations of abuse. Depp is seeking $50 million in compensation. Heard has filed a countersuit for $100 million. Depp and Heard first met in 2012 and married in February 2015. They divorced in 2017. The trial is currently suspended until May 16, when Heard will be cross-examined by Depp's team. That's all we've got for now. If you enjoyed the show, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. Please show us some love by liking and sharing the video with your friends and family. To receive updates on our new videos, turn on the notification button. That was all we had time for today. For the time being, I'll bid you farewell and hope to see you in the next video.